What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. We're kind of switching gears a little bit from the political, financial reaction content that we're usually doing, just because I want to kind of satisfy my curiosity in science more often in y'all face a little bit, because like I'm like a super geek when it comes to all of this stuff. I actually used to want to be an astrophysicist when I was younger, and then I kind of wanted, then I kind of shifted towards like being a quantum theorist. It's like I still dabble in that realm from a research and learning perspective, but in this realm, when you learn more, you kind of know less anyway. But this video just came across my feed. Apparently there were 300 massive objects discovered by Voyager, and I just want you feel me give a little commentary while we dive into it. So let's see what's talking.
As they race to find answers. Let's learn more as part of the Voyager initiative. Voyager 1 was launched by NASA on September 5th with the goal of studying the outer solar system and the space between stars. Voyager 1 passed beyond the Sun's heliosphere 16 days after the launch of its twin, Voyager 2, and made its way into interstellar space. It became the
Oh, and one day I do want to launch a space probe that goes as far as Voyager 1 and 2, by the way.
first man-made object to do so. NASA's objective is to investigate both the deepest depths of space and Voyager 1's position in our solar system. It has spent more than 45 years traveling and is now the human-made object furthest from our planet, at a distance of 14 billion miles. Despite the vast distance, Voyager 1 still communicates with Earth. It takes 22 hours and 54 minutes for its light to reach us. Remarkably, we continue to receive fresh information from the spacecraft. Voyager 1's journey began after Voyager 2, but its route out of the asteroid belt was quicker. Before Voyager 2's encounters with Jupiter in 1977, Voyager 1 had already begun its journey, and by April 1978, it was 265 million kilometers, 165 million miles, from Earth when Jovian imaging commenced. Time-lapse film in color, showing Jupiter's 10 revolutions. The spacecraft arrived at Jupiter's moon system in February 1979.
If you want to go look at what happened with Voyager 1 and 2, y'all go Schlatt. There's a million videos on it. I'm trying to get to see what
Io,
discoveries,
where images revealed an odd yellow-orange and brown surface, with at least 8 active volcanoes erupting into space. Io became known as one of the most geologically active bodies in the solar system.
Yeah.
The presence of these active volcanoes increased the likelihood that oxygen and sulfur in Jupiter's space originated from volcanic plumes of sulfur dioxide. Voyager 1 also discovered 2 more moons, Amalthea and Phoebe. It altered course on April 9th, 1979, in preparation for its rendezvous with Saturn on October 10th. In November 1970, Sagan. By 1989, Voyager 1 and its twin, Voyager 2, had completed their planetary missions and were designated as part of NASA's Voyager interstellar mission. On February 17th, 1998, Voyager 1 overtook Pioneer 10 to become the farthest human-made object from the Sun. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the boundary of the heliosphere, entering interstellar space. Voyager 1 has continued to surprise scientists with groundbreaking findings. In recent years, it began transmitting strange, unexplainable data. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory identified an issue with the spacecraft's articulation and control system, responsible for pointing Voyager's antenna toward Earth. The system had been transmitting data through a malfunctioning computer. However, NASA engineers were able to resolve the issue by directing Voyager to switch to a functional computer. Even at 14.5 billion miles from Earth, Voyager 1 continues to provide valuable data about the interstellar medium. Despite being nearly 45 years old, with many systems deactivated to conserve energy, the spacecraft reliably returns accurate information. As it ventures further into the unknown, Voyager 1 offers insights into space far beyond our solar system, helping humanity understand the properties of the interstellar medium. The Voyager mission is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity.
Yeah.
Its findings have reshaped our understanding of the solar system and beyond, offering a glimpse into the vast unknown. As we celebrate Voyager 1's accomplishments, we look forward to new discoveries that will continue to broaden the boundaries of human knowledge. The Voyager 1 mission, though initiated with technology from over 4 decades ago, continues to deliver astonishing insights into the cosmos. Every piece of data,
Which is why, honestly, the place that space exploration is in today, that's why it's so irritating to me, because it's like we have a space object. Believe it or not, I know people have different conspiracy theories on what we've actually launched into the sky and what we haven't. Just we're just working on the basis if we did. We have something that's gone so far that, like, even if we sent something after it, we'd never be able to catch it with today's technology, because it's already so far. If we were able to do that with technology from back then imagine what we could get done today if we actually, put the heads together to do it. And I know there's a lot of science being done right now. There's a lot of, research and discoveries being made, but we don't have that massively abundant push from the public. You know what I mean? So it's just like science is in the background of our society right now, which is weird because, like, we're all, that's the most advanced, like, that's our leaping stone. You know what I mean? Science is what pushes us forward. So to put it on a back burner is kind of crazy, and it's part of why I want to start doing more videos like this here, to kind of, like, you know what I mean, because the audience that I'm trying to bring in is not the typical audience. I know there's probably people watching this that have watched a lot of Voyager videos, but there's also quite a few people watching this that have never seen anything about any of this, and that's the point. I want to kind of push science back into the forefront of our social perspective, if you get what I'm saying there.
it sends back carries with it the potential to redefine our understanding of space, of the universe beyond the solar system. Voyager 1's impact on future space exploration. One of the most critical aspects of the Voyager mission is its contribution to future space exploration. The data it gathers about interstellar space serves as a foundational element for future missions that will venture farther than humanity has ever gone. Understanding the characteristics of the interstellar medium, how charged particles behave, how magnetic fields interact, can inform the design of future spacecraft. In many ways, Voyager 1 has become a guide. Its trailblazing journey into the unknown offers future spacecraft a glimpse of what they might encounter when they too leave the protective boundary of our solar system. With the rapid advancements in technology, it is possible that in the near future, new spacecraft will be equipped to travel faster and more efficiently, building on the lessons learned from Voyager. What's next for Voyager 1? While Voyager 1 continues its journey, its resources are finite. The spacecraft is powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, RDG, which has been slowly losing power since its launch. Scientists are carefully managing its energy consumption, turning off non-essential instruments to extend its lifespan as long as possible. NASA estimates that by 2025, the spacecraft will no longer have enough power to keep any of its scientific instruments operating. However, even after its instruments are powered down, Voyager 1 will continue to drift through space. Its trajectory will carry it past other stars, and in about 40,000 years, it will pass relatively close to a star in the constellation Camelopardalis. Voyager 1's ultimate legacy may be its contribution to the search for life beyond Earth. Its golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds and images, carries the story of humanity to the stars. Though the chances of an alien civilization finding Voyager 1 are slim, the message it sends is timeless. Humanity's desire to explore, to connect, and to understand the universe. Voyager's legacy, a beacon of human ingenuity, Voyager 1's journey.
Actually, saying that it's slim is honestly a little bit deceiving because statistically it's not actually slim. It's just the fact that space is expanding so fast, right? That things that have already been far apart for far away from us are getting farther from us exponentially every single second of every single day, right? So every single second that we spend not being able to explore space, everything in space is getting farther from us. You dig what I'm saying? So it's kind of it's a little bit of a paradox there. So it's like I do think that outside of the speed of light, which is really just a really far distance from the point of where I'm at right now, technically speaking, the life outside of that is like just outside of that. I just feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. It's like right outside of that. And for some reason, our universe has been designed so that the expansion keeps us right outside of that. But if expansion is is in truth what's going on, then that means eventually there'll probably be a big crunch. So at some point in a you know distant future, life is all life in the universe is gonna interject for a certain amount of time, because you know what I mean, the big crunch is probably gonna be pretty fast. So you might have like a couple of years, maybe a couple of decades, depending on how the cosmic time works. But I don't think they're actually gonna talk about anything like new, because we're at the end of the video, and I think it was
But
kind of
has
cool.
also sparked the imagination of millions, igniting a passion for space exploration. Its legacy will continue to
Well,
inspire new discoveries, pushing the
yeah,
boundary.
no, they're not talking about anything like brand stinking new, but that's fine. I like this as kind of like a bit of an intro video for the more hard hitting scientific topics that I want to talk about on the channel, because I'm always updated on what's going on in the scientific community. I've been like that since I was like maybe 14 years old. I'm 24 now. You know what I mean? And actually, shoot, I was maybe even before then, but like I know like I was like super extra into it around like 13, 14. So about a decade now. So like just like I stay updated on markets, media, and news, politics, I stay updated in this realm too. So I want to start bringing this to y'all. So if you enjoy videos like this and you want me to continue bringing my perspective to the realm of science for y'all, then hit that like button and drop a comment and let me know some topics you want me to hit on in this realm. And then that little bell icon, I don't know if you know what it means, but it mean that like when I drop a video, it's gonna notify you like a text message. You dig what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So you can come scoop and get the information right when it drops. You know what I'm saying? So that bell icon is very useful. It's very useful. All right. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.